Sometimes a woman does not feel like having sex but still wants to have an orgasm without the intercourse. There are two ways to give her this: you can use your fingers or you can lick her vagina. This article will show you how to do both. How to make a woman orgasm with your fingers. The golden rules are to be gentle and make sure that your fingers are wet before inserting them. Once your fingers are inside her, do not presume that just because you want to use them hard and fast that she will like this, because she won't. A woman likes you to show consideration and take it easy. Don't forget how delicate her vagina is. Keep your fingers inside and use them as if you were beckoning someone to come to you. You will soon notice that she is getting wetter with every movement, and this is when you should speed up. As she gets more into it, you will be able to push deeper and will feel a firm piece of tissue that feels like an inverted fingertip. When you feel it, you will know what I mean. Stop with the beckoning now and rub this in a circular motion until you make your woman orgasm with your fingers. The great thing about doing this is that she will most likely pleasure you with her hands at the same time. How to make a woman orgasm with your tongue. As above, you need to take your time and lick her very slowly at first. It takes a little longer to make your woman orgasm by licking her vagina, but her climax will be 10 times more powerful than the ones given with your fingers. Women love oral, but only when it is given properly and with skill and consideration. The best way is to start licking and kissing her outer lips first to get them wet, then slowly put your tongue inside and alternate between licking and putting your tongue in. It will not take long before she is unable to keep still, such is the pleasure that she is getting. Keep the licks slow until she is wriggling about, and start to turn up the heat a bit at a time until she is getting loud. By now her clitoris should have taken its hood off, ready for you to apply the finishing touches. It is crucial that you stimulate this gently or you will have her pushing you away. Just a few nice flicks of your tongue will suffice and she will be having an orgasm like no other. So next time your girlfriend feels horny but wants an orgasm without intercourse, you can make your woman orgasm with your fingers or your tongue.